Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these chocolate cookies. First, start by putting some hot water onto a pot. Put another pot on top of it and put 70 grams of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 30 grams of butter and mix it well. After you've mixed it well, add a little bit of water to make it more smooth. Put that aside, and on another bowl, put 1 egg, 65 grams of sugar and mix it well. After it's mixed well, add your cocoa powder mix and mix it until it has a smooth texture. Then add 50 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Put it through a sieve so that it doesn't have any lumps. Once it's mixed well, cover it, leave it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, you can start putting some on your baking tray. Bake it in 150 degrees for 15 minutes. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, press the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button and put on notifications.